I said you keep quiet, okay? Stand there. I want to say one question. You stand there. Together. Okay, you will mention the title after your presentation. Okay? After your presentation, the Passion and Shepherd is done by Christopher Marlowe. The Music Like the Shepherd by Jerome Bernal will take about. Quiet, Watson.
Come, live with me and be my love. We will all the pleasures prove, the valleys, groves, hills and fields, woods or steeping mountain hills.
If all the world and love were young, and truth in every shepherd's song, these pretty pleasures might me move, to live with thee and be thy love.
And we will sit upon the rocks, seeing the shepherds feed their flocks, by shallow rivers whose falls, Lord whose birds sing magical.
Time drives the flock from field to fold, when rivers rage and rocks grow old, and Philomel cometh down, the restless day of careless house.
And I will make the beds of roses, a thousand fragrant foams, a cap of flowers and a curtain, embroidered all with beads of million.
The flowers do fade, and one soon steals, the wayward winter reckoning yields. A honey tongue, a heart of gall, is fancy spring, but sorrow's fall.
A gown made of the finest wool, rich from a fairy lamp we pull. Fair lined slippers for the cold, with buckles of the purest gold.
Thy gowns, thy shoes, thy beds of roses, thy cup, thy kirtles, and thy posts. Soon break, soon wither, soon forgotten, in folly ripe in weeds and rotten.
A belt of straw and ivy buds, umber studs. If this pleasure makes thee move, then live with me and be mine.
Thy belt of straw and ivy buds, thy coral clasp, and umber studs. All this in me no means can move, to come to me and be thy love.
The shepherd's wing shall dance and sing, for thy delight each May morning. And if this delight thy mind may move, then live with me and be my love.
Partridges, lust, and love filled deeply. Had joys no date nor age no need. Then this delight to my mind might move, to live with thee and be thy love.
The passionate shepherd is loved by mystical words.
The nymph thrills by
Comments that you will learn. Number one,